This mini-split air conditioner is showing an F6 error code on the display. I will now explain in detail why this error occurs, what it means, and what causes it. From a technical perspective, the F6 error indicates a serial communication error. In simple terms, this happens when communication between the indoor and outdoor units is lost. There can be several reasons for this issue. 1. Power issue. The indoor unit is running, meaning it is receiving electricity, but there is a possibility that the outdoor unit is not getting power. 2. Wiring issues. Check the wiring connections between the indoor and outdoor units. Possible problems include loose wire connections, cut or broken wires, wires burned due to overheating, loss of continuity in the wiring. If any of these issues are found, fixing them should resolve the error. 3. Faulty outdoor PCB. If the outdoor unit's PCB is faulty, the F6 error can also appear. This means that a component on the PCB may have burned out or failed, disrupting communication between the two units. By checking and addressing these possible causes, the F6 error can be resolved effectively. If the outdoor unit's fuse blows for any reason, the unit will also display the F6 error. Moreover, this unit's electric supply flows from the indoor unit to the outdoor unit. It is possible that the switching relay on the indoor PCB has become faulty. The F6 error may also appear. To diagnose this issue, you need to check whether the electric supply is properly reaching the outdoor unit when the system is started. Power is reaching the outdoor unit. It means the switching relay is functioning correctly. I will also show you the location of this relay on the PCB to help you identify it. Now you can see that I have removed the indoor unit's cover, and there is another cover on top of it. Once you remove this cover, you will see the PCB. Here is the switching relay on the PCB. In this model, as well as in some other models, power supply flows from the indoor unit to the outdoor unit, and this switching relay is responsible for switching the power and supplying electricity to the outdoor unit. If this relay becomes faulty, the unit will display the F6 error because the outdoor unit will not receive power. To fix this issue, replace the faulty switching relay and the F6 error will be resolved. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.